Greetings all. I rebuilt my carburetor on the dinghy and gonna go out and give it a test run. So yeah, it's a 8 horsepower Mercury Outboard 2-stroke vintage late 80s, 85 to 89. I think it's an 88 or so. I don't know how many hours it has on it. I've had it for a few years and it works out pretty good. The boat is an Achilles 10-foot dinghy with an inflatable bottom, and it's pretty clean. So I'll go out and give it a little test run, and you'll get to hear how it actually performs. So speed's in miles per hour, and one thing the boat does do is once it gets up on plane and really gets going, the prop starts to cavitate, gets a bunch of air underneath it, and starts to over rev. So that's limiting top speed. Well, I thought it was interesting. Got up to about 16 miles per hour. Not too bad there. It really likes to go about 8 to 11 miles per hour. Of course, being a two-stroke, that kind of makes sense. I do a little bit of trolling on this, and the low-speed performance isn't quite as good, but hey, that's okay. It totes the load and gets you where you're going. Well, I hope you all folks have a good day, and we'll chat with you later.